Hi there, here's Marco from Arial Design. Thank you for your interest in our latest WordPress theme called Girly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most interesting features this theme has to offer, and then show you how it all works in the back end. Let's start with the front end. It's quite easy to notice that with this theme, we focus more on topics related to fashion, makeup, and cosmetics, and in fact, any niche that needs softer touch in its design. Layout is logical and clean and stand it out of the way of your content. Because as they say, content is the king. Although this demo with its dominant pink color can mark this theme as a purely feminine, extensive color customizing options can easily give it a quite different feel. We'll come to that later. So, let's see what we got here. The default front page uses Jetpack feature called Portfolio Custom Post Type. You just need to enter your projects, and then using provided shortcodes, they will be displayed on the front page in 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 columns. The choice is yours. Front page 1 shows the posts of your choice in a very popular masonry layout. Front page 2 can be used if you want to have a slider on the home page. Front page 3 is similar to default one, but was set to show 6 columns instead of 3. Beside these 4 different front pages, there is a very nice and clean About page, News page, that is a typical blog page, and a Contact page with working contact form built using Jetpack plugin. News or a blog page naturally supports all kinds of posts, from standard text posts to audio and video posts. Featured images are optional. Alright, there are some more goodies to show. Girly comes with 4 different page templates that will help you even further customize the theme. There is a very nice portfolio template. Then we have a grid template, full width page template, and the default page template. In the features section, you'll find a shop template you can use to build a shop using WooCommerce plugin. Here in color options are just a few examples of different looks you can achieve changing colors from within the customizer. So, let's move to the backend part of the story and open the customizer. As you can see, here you have options to change and shape the theme into something that will fit your needs. Here you can change site title and tagline, upload your logo. We don't have one here on the demo, but let's try to set one up. And here it is. Maybe now you'll want to remove the header image, but we'll come to that. Alright. Here is where magic happens. You have the option to change all the color elements on the site. We try to be as clear as possible in our description of the elements, but if you're not sure which element that is, just change the color and see what happens. An example. You want to have a different background. Just click here on the background color and choose a color you want. Simple as that. Let's move on to the header image. On our demo site, this flower is a header image. You can, however, put anything you want instead. For example, this picture. Or this one. If you choose to use the logo, maybe you want to remove the header image. So, just click Hide Image. That's it. Next one is copyright settings, but I guess it's quite self-explanatory. You can put your own text or hide it all together. Here you can, as a background, set a picture instead of having a solid color. Let's try. This one doesn't really fit here, but you get the idea. Here comes a favicon image. Here you need to choose menu 1 for the main menu and social for the small social menu in the footer. Widget section will allow you to customize widgetized area of any page. On the front page, we have widgetized footer. Here you can choose what you want to be shown in the footer. We have recent posts, about me, and socialize icons. But you can choose anything else instead. If you click on Add Widget, you'll see the whole list of available widgets. More on how to use widgets and great options that they offer you'll find in our How to Use Widgets video. And the last in the Customizer menu is the option to choose whether your front page should be static, as we have on our demo, or you want it to pull your latest posts. If you choose static, here are the optional front page templates you can use. As a posts page, you need to choose the one you want to show your posts on. The very last thing I'd like to show you is how to easily change fonts on this theme. We are going to install Easy Google Fonts plugin. In fact, I already have it here, so I'm just going to activate it. Then we'll go back to the customizer and you'll see the new menu item typography. Here you can change font family, size, and so on. So, that would be all for today. Thank you for following me through this presentation video. I hope you're going to like this sweet little theme and make a good use of it. We wish you a nice day and stay tuned.